guys, I hope you are doing great. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you the best money making apps. I'm going to show you the best money making apps, 5 of them that you can start using right away and start earning. What I mean by the best money making apps, I mean apps that I've been working with and they have really paid me, and they are good apps. Trust me if I say they are good apps. So if that's what you are looking for and you are looking for different ways on how to make money online, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if it has really done you value. So let's get into the video. Yes, let's get into the video. So I start showing you these money making apps. All you need is your phone, email address, iPad, laptop, PC, anything you have. These apps can work. So let's get into the video. This is the first app that I'm going to show you, and we are on their website. I told you can use it in your phone. You have a tablet, a laptop. Yes, you can just go ahead and sign up. And the signing up is not difficult. Yes, all you need is an email address and a password and the link that I'm going to leave in my description below. Guys, I will leave a link, and when you use my link, you get a sign up bonus. On this website, what you are going to do is simple and easy. You can get money by doing surveys and by doing cashbacks. If you are like, you always like to shop things online, like when you install the plugin of this website, they will be giving you some extra cash when this plugin is on your laptop or on your device that you are using to shop. And another thing they have, you can still do surveys. These are all surveys you can do, and they have good surveys that even pay up to $1. Yes, and they have also games that you can use to play. Yes, they have also games that you can use to play. A lot of games right here. As you can see, this game, if you play it, it will be paying you $32, $5. Like, you can do it in your free time. Yes, this game will be giving you $11. So it depends on you which game you want to play. Just come here, choose it. Like this one, this is $28. And there are also some researches you can do. They will give you like this money, which is in cents. So those are all the offers you can do. And another thing, they have also partners that they have partnered with. They have all these partners that are good, and they have been there for quite some time, like this Leview, all this My Chips, all of these. They are also game partners that you can use and earn money in this platform. And guys, the name of this platform is Ysense. Yes, most of you have heard this Ysense, but Ysense is growing better and bigger every day. Yes, so you can use this platform and start earning money right away. Yes, and another way that you can earn money from this platform is by referring others. So if you refer others, they will be giving you a commission for the people you've referred. So that's why, guys, I'm encouraging you, use the link in the description below. You'll be earning, I'll also be earning. That's another way that you can earn from this platform. Yes, that's another way that you can earn from this platform. There are so many ways that you can earn. It's only your time that and effort that can limit you. But earning from this platform is endless, and they have different cash out options like PayPal, Pioneer, ATM, so many cash out options. So if you're like, I'm in a country where there's no PayPal, they have also those other options to help you cash out your money. Yes, and you can get this app on Google Store and Apple Store. So you don't have to make any excuses. You just go start, download this app and start earning right away. Yes, and start earning right away. Don't wait for tomorrow. You can just do it now and start changing your life. Then, guys, I'm going to show you the next best money making app. It's one of my favorites. I can't get enough of it, and I can't stop talking about it. And this is Pawns app. Yes, this is Pawns app, and all what you need to do is you need to have an email address, a password to sign up, and the link that I'm going to leave in the description. I'm going also to leave a link for all the apps that I'm talking about in this video. You can go there and sign up. What makes this app so interesting, so fun? I've also done a dedicated video about this app. You can go there and watch it. It will be appearing somewhere on the screen. You can go there and watch it, and you start earning right away. So the what makes this app so cool so loving is that you can play games and earn even up to $100. So it depends on you. If you like, I'm a game, I love games, then that's good for you. You can do surveys and the good thing about their surveys, they have short surveys, long-term surveys, medium surveys. So you choose. If you want a shorter survey, you are in a rush, you can do that one. If you want a longer one, you can do that one. And they also have another project where you refer other people and you start earning. So, guys, they use the link in my description below. When you sign up using my link, you get a $3 bonus. Yes, and when you also refer other people, they'll be also getting a $3 bonus. So I'll leave the link to this app also in the description below. Yes, that's what makes this app more interesting. There are so many things that you can do. You can do play games, paid surveys, and what makes it so cool is you can still earn money by sharing internet. Yes, like you can use this app in a passive way, even without doing anything. You can earn money by sharing internet. You just download this app on your phone, you just sign up. I said I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you start earning money right away. It depends if you are in a country like the internet is high, like in US, or what, you earn more. But if you're in a countries where the internet is not speed and high, you earn also some extra cash by sharing your internet. As you can see here, every GB you share is this 2 cents, and you can cash out to $140. So you can earn up to $140 just by sharing your income without doing anything. Yes, just sharing your income. Just put this app in your phone, put it in your laptop, so you can start sharing internet, or you can share it with other people, and they're showing you people who have earned. So this is person is from US, is has just cashed out $14. This one is from Rutenberg, has just cashed out $8. So many people are here, they are earning. So to show that this platform it's legit and people are earning from it. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click the link in the description below and start earning your own money right away. Yes, and they have also other things that they do on this website. They have something which they call spin a wheel. You just spin a wheel, you earn those points, and the points you earn, they're later converted into money. Yes, you just spin a wheel. As you can see here, they are showing you here, you play games, here you do surveys, here you share your internet. And guys, these are all the cash out methods. As I've told you, PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon, even they have Pioneer. They have up to 70 gift cards that you can use to cash out. And the good thing, what I like about it, that their payment threshold is not high. All you need is to earn up to $5, and you go ahead and cash out your money. Yes, you go ahead and cash out your money. Just all that what you need. Yes, and you cash out your money. As I've told you, there are so many things like this quest. They give you points that you turn into money. Yes, they are telling you on a daily basis you can make average up of $12. Guys, I told you, if you are serious, you can make up $12 daily. So I'm leaving a link in the description below for this app. You can go there and check it out. So let's go to our other app that I'm going to talk about. This app number 3, I've talked it about on this channel, but this app is amazing. It's growing faster, and as you can see, they are telling you earn up to $7 per or $70 per offer. As you can see, this app is Dice Roll. You can earn up to $70. And the thing that is here, they have apps for Android and apps for iOS. So it depends on you which device you have. You can still use this app and start earning money. And this app, guys, is called Free Cash. Yes, actually, I think it's one of the leading best paying money making apps. So here earning out is also non-difficult. You can do offers like this one. If you sign up for Netflix for a try, they'll give you $5. If you play this game, if guys you don't have TikTok, I mean like you never downloaded TikTok on your phone, see they are going to pay you money here for downloading TikTok on your phone. So this is $2 for just installing TikTok in your phone, as long as you are installing it for the first time. So guys, don't be like there, you uninstall it. These people have data, so they will detect that you've already had this app and you just deleted it. They will not pay you your money. But all the offers that you are going to do, make sure you are doing it for the first time. That's where they will pay you the money. So I was like, let me give you this trick. go and install a offer and do it again, they will not pay you because their websites will be detecting it. But if you are just using the that app you downloaded for the first time, then they will pay you your money because they are always telling you be a first what time user. Yes. So here they're showing you how much people have earned. And what I like about this app, they're always giving bonuses. Like if you earn up to $1, they will give you more bonuses to encourage you. They have a leaders board where they can give away up to $50 to people who are using this app. And they have also surveys that they are using, survey partners that they are using. They have different survey platforms that you can use also inside this app apart from playing games. As you can see, these are also the games you can do. You complete an offer, you earn, you get paid via different gift cards. They have PayPal, Visa, Bitcoin, Netflix. So it depends on you which gift card you want to earn. You can, as you can see here, you can either play games, you can complete offers, and also join surveys and earn from them. So this is another website that you can earn from, and they're telling here they give you a daily bonus. Yes, and if you reach five if you reach $2, you just cash out instantly. So that's free cash for you. Yes, and I've also done dedicated video about this free cash website, so you can go there and watch it. So you can just sign up using the link I'm going to leave in the description below, and you use the email address and the password. Then you are good to go to start earning right away. You never know, you might end up cashing out your money today when you just joined. So you can check out this app. It's good. I've been using it myself. So let's go to the other app that I'm going to talk about. And this app, guys, it's called Timebucks. I like their simplicity. It's simple, and here what you do, you just sit in the comfort of your home like all the other apps have told you. You earn daily bonuses for completing tasks. You start earning instantly. The moment you sign up, you start earning instantly. You can get paid via referrals, and they pay weekly. Yes, they pay weekly. I think that's every Thursday when they pay. Yes, so you just all need is to sign up and start making money right away. Yes, all they need is to sign up and start making money right away. Just come here, fill in this all form which has email address, password. You repeat your password, you confirm you are not a robot, you sign up, and they'll start paying you. And what you are going to do is similar like to the other apps we've talked about, completing micro tasks, testing websites, installing apps, watching videos, and answering surveys. Guys, I think anybody can do that, even a beginner can do that. So it's not complicated. You just sign up and start earning right away. They are telling you are changing the world one task at a time. So these tasks that you are doing, you are also helping other people, and that help you are rendering to them, it will be a service to them, and they will pay you your money. Yes, they'll be paying you your money. So the other app that I'm going to talk about, for this app also, I'll leave a link in the description below. Yes, the other app I'm going to talk about is my favorite. Yes, also it's also my favorite, and I would choose it a million times. And this app is called Premises. Yes, maybe you've not heard about it. Yes, but this app is called Premises, and what makes it good, their surveys are not long. I think maybe they are a second or 2 seconds. If it's too long, it will be 3 seconds. That's why I like it, like the simplicity of their surveys and doing it. Like they're telling you, unlock local insights, driving global impacts, enhance the power of data-driven intelligence, and get actionable insights quickly and effectively with global reach, research span over 400 countries. So this is like an AI platform, but as you know, AI can never be perfect. So you are helping this AI company to take some tasks, and they'll be paying you. And what I have seen on this website, the tasks are easy. Most of them that pay higher, they're about taking pictures. They'll ask you like, go find go find a poster which talks about you in a, so if you take that picture, then they will give you money. That's why I told you their tasks are so simple and they are so easy. And why I like this app is that I've never seen them reject any task that I've done for them. It's hard for them to say, oh, you did this survey and it's rejected. And they are always having work, that they're always having surveys that you can answer, not like other apps you will go and they will tell you are not qualifying for the survey. That's why I like this website. It's easy to use and you can start using it out right away if you install it in your phone. I'll also leave a link in the description below. As you see, they are showing you websites that they are working with, and they are working with big websites like UNICEF, like this you said, all of this. They are working with this website like World Health Organizations, and what they'll be asking you things about your community. Like the surveys will be like, do you have healthy water? Are you able to feed monthly? So those are the questions that they'll be asking you, and they'll be asking you, do you have support in your country? Are national organizations helping you? So that's all that they'll be asking you on this website, and you'll start earning right away. And their cash threshold is to their payment threshold is not that high. I think it's maybe even up to not maybe $1. That's when you can cash out. And as you can see, so this is how the app looks like inside the phone. So they'll be asking you questions like this. They'll tell you, oh, this is a market research. So they'll be asking you things about the market. Yes, and if you install this app, so these are the tasks that you are going to do. Or they'll be asking you, go in this place, take a picture of a market or take a picture of a kiosk, and they'll be paying you for those pictures. So if you have a chance to move around, you can go take those pictures. But if you're like, you don't have a chance to move around, you're a stay home mom or something like that, then there are also other surveys that you can answer. But the thing is that those surveys that you answer when you don't go out, like, they are cheaper, they pay less. But if you are willing to go out and take pictures, then those ones will be paying you higher. Yes. And as I've showed you, they are over in 140 countries. So, guys, you can go ahead and join this app. I'll also leave a link in the description below. And, guys, if you've watched to this end, this is our last money making app. I thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and to subscribe to this channel. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? If you watch this end and you didn't subscribe, just go ahead and subscribe. So that's what I had for you guys. See you in the next video. Don't give up. You can still make it and start earning money right away. All the links in the description down below.